we're here today to launch a really, really unique project, which I think is very unique because it involves children. And I think everything involving children and their future is something that we all need to embrace, and with our whole body, not just with our arms, and trying to see how we create better communities for the future and a sustainable future for our children. And that's what this project is today, Growums. Growums will be explained to you today by Mr. Steven Lovink, who's part of a project, a wider project initiative as well, from Aruba. And I have to put on my glasses because I'm at that age now that we no longer can see without projects. So we're going to walk you through the program today, and an introduction by the representative of the Minister of Energy and then the Minister of Education, who both of them unfortunately cannot be here today. And then we will have an outline of the explanation of Growums project, as I mentioned, from Steven Lovink, and he will, I will introduce him as he comes. And then a nice presentation of Excel Academy, which is the school in Washington that Kudawecha is going to be working with, which is a great school in Washington with an incredible vision on greening and its school and creating a community of excellence, which is very much in line with the vision of Kudawecha School. Then we will also hopefully have the Growum kits to hand over. They're stuck at the airport with FedEx because they thought we were going to do business with the Growum kids instead of donating them. But we're trying to do that. And of course, Kudawecha would also present what this means.
For me, it is an immense pleasure to be present here today at the launch of the Green Schools Friends project. As you already know, this project consists of a partnership between the Excel Academy in Washington, D.C. and our very own School Primario Kudawecha, which of the public schools is one of the newest schools in Aruba and is very much in line with, just as Minister Cruz said, the greening and the sustainability in its visions. They will team up for a very special mission that will involve planting and growing fruit and vegetable plants. For this, they will make use of Growums, which are actually garden kits designed for children. Before wrapping up, I would like to share this quote with you. An influential American health activist, Mike Adams, he's also editor of Natural News, he wrote, "Today, more than 95% of all chronic disease is caused by food choice, toxic food ingredients, nutritional deficiencies, and lack of physical exercise. It is thus in our hands to secure the health of our children by positively stimulating their food choice and promoting a healthy lifestyle." We have a saying in Papiamento, and it is popular also in English, "Bota cosecha, lo cual bota siembra." You reap what you sow. So let us make sure we sow the right seeds for our children, and they will reap the benefits as happy, healthy, and responsible adults.